Hi, this is Maggie and I'm Dan. It's a beautiful new year, and just like everyone else, I've been looking for ideas for how to improve during 2016, and the big obvious thing to me is to tidy my shop. You may have noticed from other of my videos that I have a very messy shop. I am not one of nature's tidy people, so I'm really going to try and make an effort over the next couple of months to tidy things up and try and get some kind of sense of order, because as much as I'm not a tidy person, I also recognize how much that gets in my way. So today's little project is one based on something I've seen in a few different places, which is try and give myself some kind of drill bit storage options. Again, I'm not really tidy, so I don't tend to put things back neatly in their place. I got myself a couple of those magnetic knife rack things that you can use, and I will be using those to try and make some kind of drill bit storage. This turned out to be a nice simple project to start the year, and will hopefully help me overcome my naturally untidy tendencies and keep all those drill bits organised in one place. Next on my list is to try and figure out a way to manage my screw collection. I have loads of boxes of screws and I can never find them quickly when I want them. If you have any ideas about that, please let me know in the comments or hit me up on Twitter. I'll be really interested to find out how other people manage some of these organisation options in their workshop. Thanks for watching, see you next time.